sensor training kit from High-Tech Didactic is designed to provide users with hands-on experience on latest sensor technologies which can be easily upgraded in future. This kit is equipped with various sensors based on I/O link technology which are integrated with PLC and HMI. This sensor training kit is focused on providing training on industrial sensor technology with PLC, HMI, and IIoT. This kit enables user to interface various digital, analog and I/O link sensors with relative ease. Architecture of sensor and IIoT training kit is arranged in such a way that any and every sensor such as vision sensor, LiDAR sensor or any other advanced sensor can be integrated with this training kit. PLC and IIoT setup is provided to carry out various automatic programs with different types of sensors.